Word up. So basically, whatever you do in life, you have to put your heart and soul into it, you know? Don't watch no face.
Yeah.
Brush your teeth.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Change your drawers before you leave the house. Take a fresh. And do your thing, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Life is for living.
Yeah.
You know, we're all here for a moment. We know that. You know what I'm saying? Kobe taught us a lot.
Yes,
you know what I'm saying? You gotta definitely get to know yourself.
Yeah, man.
You know, do the right thing.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Yeah, man.
Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Get it up now, get it up now, get it up now. Look bigger than. Say it, say it, say that, say that, say that, say that. It's bigger than. Say that, say it, say it, say it, say it. Bring it back now. One thing about music, when it hits you feel no pain. Bring that shit back one time, brethren. Bring it back, we done got my selector. If you want to hear it one more time, make some noise. If you're getting fed off these fantastic vibrations in Jolo Kitchen, make some motherfucking noise. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. If you've been rocking with us, do this shit with us. It's bigger than. Say that. Say it. Say it. Say it. Say it. Say it. It's bigger than hip hop. Hip hop. Hip hop. Hip. Look. One thing about music, when it hits you, feel no pain. Like folks say, controls your brain. I know better that's game, and we ready for that. 2 soldiers head in the back on the back, who got the gag, and where my army at? Brother attack and not react. Back the beat, then don't reflect. Oh, how many records get sold? On sex, drugs, and rock and roll. But your project for oh, in your real world, these young people with ideas. They just like me and you with a smoke and camera disappear again. The real world is bigger than all these big ass records. Big popos got the millions and my sisters disrespected. If you check to my word of advice, then you is just relax. Then do what you got to do. If that don't work, keep it flat. If you a fighter, right about a flame, ignite a chronic cider, or you wanna just get high and just say it. But then if you a lie, chest on fire, whoop, rock, engine with a wire, I'm gonna know it when I play. What do we mean? Bigger than, yeah, say that, say it, say it, you say it, you say it, it's bigger than hip hop, hip hop, hip hop.
Hey, who shot Tupac? If we don't get them, they gon' get us all. I'm down for running up on the crackers in they city hall. We rock for y'all, all my dogs, stay real. Nigga don't think these record deals gon' feed your season, pay your bill because they not. If you get a little bit of love and think they hot, talk about how much money they got, and all y'all records shining. I'm sick of that fake thug R&B raps and never go all day on the radio. 10 scenes in the video, but not this material. Y'all don't hear me though. These record labels slang I take like yo. You can be next in line and trying to steal me right around it. You rather a Lexus or justice, a dream or some substance, a beamer, a necklace, a freedom. Still nigga like me don't play a hate, gotta stay away. It's real hip hop and it shot till we get the crackles up the block. They call it hip.
So say it, you say it, you say it, you say it, you say it.
It's bigger than hip hop, hip hop, hip hop, it's bigger than.
Everyone in Jolo gon' go back shit. Everybody know that though, like Bo Jackson. Everybody know Black Flow gon' go platinum. Last one, yapping his lips, I go slaps him. Tony take 2 of those, but no aspirin. You can get your eyes on wall, but no acting. Look, please hold your applause, there's no clapping. Please don't sleep on them boards, there's no napping. I eat them up with no knife and no napkin.
Back to the brother Jolo's kitchen. We back, baby.
Make some noise for my brother Tariq, Black Dog, man. Accomplished playwright.
I started the present, vision of the future with the super producer. I'm 10 times smart as I used to be, and I'm still seeing the voice through the speakers. Porsche 2-seaters, brand new sneakers, real rap remedy man, true genius. Come like Yosemite Sam with 2 heaters.
Your life based on the common need, and all my comrades is ready. We just spreading the seeds. The average black man live a third of his life in a jail cell, cause the world is controlled by the white man. And the people don't never get justice, and the women don't never get respected, and the problems don't never get solved. and the jobs don't never pay enough. So the rent always be late. Can you relate? Look, we living in a
No more mortgage, no more political monsters, no more secret space launches. Government departments started living in the projects. Material objects, thousands of billion projects. Will have been invested in the future for my comrade. Battle contact, primitive weapons out in combat. Meaning that we come back, pretty niggas be really we back. Rather get shot in their back and fight back. Tired of that, corporations hide the black. Denying the fact that floating us all over the map. That's why we write the shit we write in our rap. It's documented, I minute, every day of the week. I live in it, breathe in it. It's more than just fucking believe in it. I'm holding in one, rolling up my sleeves and shit. The CeeLo for push-ups now. Many headed for one conclusion. Niggas ain't ready forever. The average black man live a third of his life in a jail cell. But the world is controlled by the white male. And the people don't ever get justice. And the women don't ever get respect.
Ain't that right?
And the problems don't ever get solved.
Ain't that right?
And the job don't ever pay enough.
That's right.
So the rent always be late.
Yeah.
Can you relate? We living in the police state. Unfortunately, it's still the same fucking police state.
Where you at? I'm an African. I'm an African. Come on. And I know what's happening. I'm an African. I'm an African. And I know what's happening. You an African? Or you a do you know what's happening? I'm an African. I'm an African. And I know what's happening. Take top, flip fly, shotty dreadlocks like a cop, hip high. Take your head, bob, bounce to this. Socialist movement, my environment, made me the nigga I am.
Yeah, we was known for that. Remember that? It was about breaking the law. I never thought the movement will make it this far.
But look,
yeah, it's been a long fight, but we alright.
Yeah.
Time to get free, blow up like Cincinnati.
Come on.
No joke. I remember saying don't vote. Fuck that. Freedom and death was my quote. Revolutionary like Little Bobby, George Jackson, Geronimo, and Martin G. Carter. We getting free like we said we would. Liberated territory in my hood, and it's all to the good. If you don't know, say that shit. You know very well who we are. Who we? We are African. You got that right. We are. Come on.
see, they are few, and we are many. So let's get free, y'all.
And we can all have it. How y'all feeling?
Great.
Come on, man. We got to be the warming side when it's cold outside.
Keep you alive.
Hey, what?
Trying to bring about victory.
One time, Don DeVino, BX.
How y'all feeling? I said, how you feeling?
Yeah.
It's okay to let it go. Listen,
Baby.
it was
I have the distinct honor of bringing up front, and I don't know if they can hear me, but if somebody can hear me, can somebody let them know that I'm about to let them know, let the people know that they're coming to the front. These brothers are they made some very beautiful hip-hop music. They made some very revolutionary music. They made music that made you think. They made music that made you want to act. You know what I'm saying? And they made music that made you want to stay healthy. They made music that made you want to go to war. They made music that made you want to be at peace. They made music that made you want to explore a black woman's mind. Shout out to Mind Sex. They made music that made you just want to be real. Word up. So I'm not going to say who they are until they start walking towards this front. They're probably doing a prayer right now. So may the Most High bless them and guide them to the front to give y'all a wonderful performance. Word to mother. They also, I'm honored to say that they worked with my brother. My brother's name is Peter Phillips. Y'all might know him as Pete Rock. And they had the distinct pleasure of working with Pete and made a dope song on his album, Soul Survivor 2, called War Zone. That was amazing. Just two amazing brothers that I'm so blessed to and honored to be sharing this moment with.
Hi everybody, my name is Grandmother, that's Bravo. This song is called Rock. It was produced by my brother, his name is Big Rock. Rock, gonna get pass me the microphone so I can get wicked. I think she's gonna sing it. Shuffle Robert Lindo.